Here I have LG G4c, and let me show you how to enter the factory reset mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let me start by holding a power key right here, press power button. From the following menu, let me choose power off and touch OK to confirm it. Wait until your phone will be completely switched off, and afterward let's use the following combination of keys: volume down and power key. Let's hold down together these two keys for a couple of seconds, and as soon as LG logo pops up, release power and press it again. Just release for about 2 seconds and then hold down again, and as you can see, the factory data reset mode just pops up. Here you can accomplish the hard reset operation, so you can reset all user data and customize settings, or you can simply quit this mode by choosing no exit. You can navigate here by using volume keys right here and press power key to confirm it. So let me choose no exit and let me press power key to choose it, and now the device is restarting and rebooting into a normal mode. Excellent, as you can see, the device is in normal mode. Now you can use your phone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.